Yeah, trying come on so and say Fiaman Quatamakro, Yadasi, Odin Coma, and we ye pa Anna, a day abrayansia to us so Adam say, Mamma Cow say, Yes, shall say no numpe pepe, and I do quack up himself on Cobonia. I encourage you, say, Kososha Adom TV, ma be a bit me a coso at the amount. Adom TV, we shall near cow say, what do you? Now, sir, any dija or Quanstrom Kosokra, and Tina may come for Adom TV at the amount. It's very, very important with my digima. Na addition so amowo Mansour Dubia Monkai Mohamodeshe Ruth Osei ope MPP Women's Organizer I was Mpensenpensemu so Monkai no na Monkai Jeff Kunadu Oko Eastern region so ono so Monkai no because Monkai na mona monenity na moni nipa oye enti also ope Eastern region chairmanship position Jeff Kunadu Monkai ono so and a whole lot of obi a also so betimi aya de papa bia aboa person so no party Monkai omabra about to obre no be so mpemfo atenase me kai o se ebidi sa enkomoi nemum ene ye maame Jifa Ativo my announcement now unfortunately maintaining kipu details. A course we identify as a course we you know. What record of that?
I don't have so much.
Okay, no problem. Because my running announcement, surprisingly, yes.
I think it will be in this.
My announcement, yeah, and then one could hear say, Mrs. Udriano. Oh my goodness! But Obi Mohammed, Jifa Ativo, meaning say na sana mon two see a company, netia akata kama na crowds or whatever na ebebaso. Nti Monkai those with information na bibi ntimi kwa kama afama ye nyina uni so ahwebia na mamenka so nyame adoma ha ho kran kohye sa rainbow colors so the continental stadium men ha is very very unnecessary ha ho ye wi adwuma no na afena obi de 6 ebeda na 9 nti I'm so sad for followers of the rainbow color. I feel the pain I will go through Kwasiada. I feel so much pain for you, but it's unavoidable. I feel the shame ever. I feel the disgrace ever. Football disgrace. I can feel it, but it's unavoidable. We are sure any. Okay, so maintain is on and she said Evangelical Presbyterian Church. Ebutia Petit Volta region. Okay, so motion so na mama intimi kota actually kama. Yeah, Erikafo so atena say okwa Memphis West ma she be no gina ma de share one name on the ticket of the National Democratic Congress and watena say obo adwuma enti ebrenu so Bible so nyame na ebe nyina but still hashtag no. Kwaba.
Yeah,
it's unfortunate. Juma we the man had you know can say the papa da form. You know, but Juma share says so be Juma Ghana. A man in person so for. No sabet na ha. No jina jinchi rebo Ghana memu no. Enye easy nti dey be adameka. Even though you say you so ejai him no. And him be wa him out say on fe no fi nyina.
It's so.
Eti yako kese pa odi abusia nyina. E ba betawchi. I understand that mo say first, second, third
of April.
Okay, all right. So first, second, third, and I remember what you want. Asenkregwa. Makwani.
Akwani de so you say biamba me kan ho asem.
Omunya attempt to crash omo bus.
No, contractors no.
But the road minister is all over Ghana now. And I'm holding.
Oh,
I think when you go to the north, when you go to Brafo, when you go to Asante.
What do when you
okay, me like sa and all the
yeah. Oh,
it's the same dimeni.
That's ombejina aka ho asem.
Okay,
but obekọ ho no na ene ho. And answer. I put a question to the road minister. Say on chere o ka so your press conference we say we 4,000 kilometers of roads
in the country. That's 6 na me crop with the adwuma is you.
Sir,
yeah,
and man fanya.
Mo 1,000
because and you know
question about.
Yes, I asked the question in Parliament last 3 days. He denied.
Are you kidding me?
The tape, no. Go and look at the tape. He denied. He couldn't even locate a single road now or come within the 4,000 kilometers.
But this is what Dominic
research on it.
Dominic official,
he denied. Press conference na me no kokore. It himself when kokore baby akwan ne wo.
No, but be mindful of where all this come with you.
I'm telling you, this is a bigger platform. Now Parliament kura me jina kura put a lot of questions want many ano. Na had the na because what? Dem can what you say. Enti why catch us say ye you akwan o baby a so won kan okumase na za catch us ye you.
So what from that data that 1,000 and then they are 4,000
invite him here and ask him the same question. A concert party or parliament that very day. Last 3 days. Go and check it. Enti Kwabena no ekoso Ghana. I'm telling you. Because the road minister Nankasa about parliament.
But this is year of roads. This is the second.
Eric Afua. Me roads challenge in my constituency. Me bisa one themselves 4,000 kilometers of roads now.
That's official.
Yes. Also on kind. I quoted the source.
Exactly.
And yet, he was just there looking at me.
Are you sure of what you're saying?
I'm telling you, work on it. Enti akwan ne de ye mompae say Nyankopon ebeka aban akoma because enyo priority.
No. So ni so
akwan ho asem in Ghana.
Me mamamu infie na nyina no efa dodo na me de begina akwan so I was come say nya priority. Oh, that's why me busa say me call ye but the reports that I have gathered say almost every region touch base a contractor for.
That is why I'm also telling you I'm from parliament. Now me catch out say 3 days and chair. Go look at the video or the audio. Me and beside that question. You be beside 4,000 kilometers of road.
Exactly.
I was where you between 17 to 2020.
Yeah.
Bruh, give us the respective locations of these roads. He couldn't.
Maybe he did not come armed with the needed information.
No, it's America government here. And this say ye account recruitment, it means ye account recruitment. Certain minister, when you come to Minister, you are certain minister. Omanhene is not true.
Okay, all right.
It's on falsehood.
All right.
I'm a man share me for cry.
Say,
Asante to Western region.
Yes, Jaffet.
Yes, Jaffet. Bedu, regional organizer. And no film. You are saying Ayako, Western region for Mobia Ayako. Oh, the MNDC.
Also, was saying I'm deputy minister for more person.
Yes, recent Lababe 2-3 months ago. A lot of casualties in the Western region. We are praying for the better. Thank you.
I see. My name is Emeko no why so because no almost akojina control nipa 137. Hey, why are you making parliament
we are protecting the constitution of this country?
No, but that's not how to protect the constitution.
Oh yes.
Every attempt by this
give the chance and I'll explain to you.
No, but every attempt by this administration is pushy an agenda that comes national in character.
That's it.
Now we are taso, we are taso, health minister attract Sputnik in
Sputnik issue in there. The course of Sputnik, I'm telling you, let me ask you a simple question. Look at the processes from one up to where we are now. Is it fair? Is it nice? Does it protect the peace of this country? As promised by the government? I'm asking. Now, Yakacha will say, what organization Yakacha will say, Yare Naban, Ubia Nyatem say, Obefa agent in the transaction of procuring vaccines. 1 year one. 2, Obeye is an emergency issue. Cabinet approval, no way. Parliamentary approval, no way. Now, about committee on finance, committee on health, Emma Yafe. Procurement process, no, PPE, anko. Ya set a committee. If it's say, Minister, program at the same, Wakoto and Yamano. We say I'm a sign. We sign all these things didn't come. More so, Yakacha will say, what you sika ama nipa agent nana? We say no. The next day, what you sika no. Because what you sika. 2, internationally, 1 dose costs $10. one dose $10. In the contract, I could to know $19. My God. I don't think say Ghana saw any muscle. So say when you know say no. The minister, you are not efficient. You are not efficient. Because minister when him say abankwa tua no na wo san no abankwa tua hoka. When away. So what does it mean? Where do you go? So you're not efficient. You can't be there. This is our case. Internationally, you're $10. Ako 2 in it, $19. Other one $18.5. Difference so the other. Yet we are saying, say, we are protecting the purse of this country.
I see.
It is a minority. Say, minister, ye chino, ama aban, eyinedia. We deserve it. We deserve it.
Okay, so incoming Central Regional Chairman, unless otherwise CB also on Kodia. Incoming Central Regional Chairman for the MPP, what can I say? Former Member of Parliament, 3-term Member of Parliament, 4-term Member of Parliament. Yes, it's gone through the mill. Ne otona unkasepi. I mean, the power way and nothing. If say chide, answer no say the pardon number there be. I mean, the president paying for the sense says and kasa. Do now know I mean any kekasi to kika away. And you anyone when you watching. I mean the pan kasa. E can munti I mean the power way and kasa. Chairman Akwawa.
Yeah, no.
I'm kind of was I go ahead and mother who is.
I thought you were going to make it.
Also, the nose, or
David, you know,
Democracy.
David,
say I'm more police.
David, I can say the same thing.
I'm on Tizu Casa, I am making no two pepper. I am actually.
Man, you never know I say me.
I'm interested in the real fees.
Okay,
Yes, Papa.
What can you do to come with you?
Yes, Papa. Not me.
Oh, wow. Okay, party adwuma be a kama.
Be a cost fine.
Good. Now, at the said no mama e wona bi sa mo ohunu wonim clear yi. E come na she adwuma na ba abrabo musu Ghana. Na fe say dey omusitim be kan semisi hodum. Wanya ke wo go say na me adbe cha Ghana ebutu e kofu meni. Ti mo man chitemu ni sa de koso wo ana.
Yo Omanhene me da se me chia no atiefo nya. Ege me sa ma me nua hyede.
Yeah.
Every so horse back, say Miss Mifia, I'm free. If you hold up, a quan and wapi. We invite here, better, which that's why I say, some other kind of which is Central Region for so. And Chibiana, me both you of our coach, constituency executives. So I said, the Tibia, Munia Bena, Messamba. Now, if you honano. Kofobia muntu me adwuma no mo hunu ani so o ma sa si akire se me se me mabio enti me supporters ne me support wo mo enya no kre enti pesa me encourage obi a wo Central Region se ani abresi pese e wini 2024 na obi adim se be na ye ne betumi lead friends say region na strategically ya position region such say MPP can strongholds within this country ya be kan Central Region so e dey account. You see, Minuye, first time and second time, new parliament.
2.1.
At the by election.
2.1.
Over by election.
By election.
Oh, okay.
2016.
Oh, okay. And I say, anyway, I saw you in this. We say, Rose Minister Bayano, na concert na muyi your home.
Ose na ase na no yi ne enko yi.
It na ase concert eno muyi your parliament. Masa, parliament enye theater.
Is that where you are starting from? And so I'm saying now when you be anka.
O kasa se na mtie di. Na me first sentence gwa na hope.
You see, as I'm saying now
when
I was starting.
Na me first sentence gwa na hope. Na ye di na tie me. Bia me dey. So, nti na business how many times no aba ho. Tell na ye parliament no. Na ho nye theater. Na ho nye ba bi yi concert. na ho ye fear and nibre, so that is why we call us honorable members of parliament. But I'm not surprised that this vote see that place perhaps as a theater be a mukoyi concert or for which reason tokwa hunu bi chobo he nya de ade bu ana or members boss tro.
No, but let me give you a quick reminder. If you care to know, the Chronicle captures it very well. Memamwamonio Mahama applauds E-Levy brawl in Parliament, says it was a fight for democracy.
Yes.
So let's be careful.
I don't know how that mean. That is how they see it. Mahama, I'm not even going to talk about him. Because Tamon Wakazakra MP, no, make a BBA under normal circumstances. So treated that house with dignity. Okay, BB. Now another member be. Rejection, say be a small can, and yet Ankoya speaker to me, and say, okay, Mimia, be a small can, Nipa we say, and turn out to me, and as Ankoya to sign. There was a case be then Mahama was a member of parliament. No, can ABT as a Asante for say, Arno and Koyi, the other day. And now, honorable say, Prempe, sorry, no, raise your objection to it. Speaker then. Speaker Sechi Hughes, Ephraim Mahama said, on withdraw that statement because it would be a takeaway. For 15 good minutes, Mahama's on withdraw. Mujina Homo, holding the whole house no to ransom. 15 good minutes. Just withdraw that statement because we feel offended by that day. Now you make progress now. Mahama refused. 15 good minutes. And Sana feel no one comfortable with the Kokasa Sana or withdraw. Why? I mean, just withdraw and apologize if need be for the house to move on. Are you surprised that no one say Chubu see parliament no or support to NNJ? From me, I make us not because concert visa. For me to sit here, platform to say Adom TV, to say minister I'm a quarter bar parliament, you know. He could not show a single one a kilometer road, 4,000 show. Oh,
I'm
please.
not interjecting him.
Oh, please. Can we have a decent discussion? Can we have a decent discussion?
You were not there. So
you don't have to be there. I don't need to be there.
Yes.
If you don't know, anybody who cares to know what goes on in parliament can monitor whether you are in the chamber or not.
Did you monitor?
Okay,
the exact case I'm talking about. Did you monitor?
This is concept platform. Did you
monitor?
No.
I won't let you go there.
No. So my uncle.
I won't let you go there.
So what is it now? The problem is saying.
The problem is saying for him to come and sit on TV station to say Minister Bayano went me and share even 1 kilometer.
Yes, it's true.
And you want people to believe you. We can hear them fee. I am free by. Me come for Kumasi, Obuasi, Anyankwanta, Obuasi to Dunkwa.
I don't want to parliament. I don't want to.
So who said maybe
I'm telling you, you telling lies because Ghana need be or Tigana Bia now Tigana no. But me at least 1 kilometer of road there. For you can look at it, say minister to me 1 kilometer of road.
I think you need DNA.
And you want people to believe such stories.
Go and look at the tape.
Okay,
you want people to believe such stories. And Mama one example.
But I'm saying that if what he's saying is the truth, that the minister needs to be sacked today.
Yes.
Do you want to believe this man? Do you want to believe him?
If what he is saying, that's the reason I'm
in the credibility I mean punching. Who said what can you know?
Go and look at the tape.
Because me minister.
Go and look at the tape.
Oh please, can we have some decent discussion here? Mr. Minister. I'm here responsible for it. I'm all data ministry or data ni bibia. Minister. Me say me call I am free. Me for Kumasi. I'm not even going to talk about Kumasi rules, no sections or more dualized deco. I'm not going to talk about that one. Make the bear me and from Kumasi and Yankwanta or Boasi Road. I make me do more dance. After 40 and Yankwanta to Boasi Oh, Minia. I catch you so cool crown. A woman said, "Oh, which they know how dear, but
what you say? What you say? Who can watch you insulting me?
Oh, it's not.
Maybe so withdraw.
It's not.
What you say? No.
It's not. Mamichu.
No, maybe so withdraw.
Mamichu. Okay, my withdraw. Okay, my withdraw.
Me come what you say? Why do you say that?
Oh yeah, my withdraw. Alaji Abudu, me chawa no pay. Me krom Nasara coordinator.
Okay.
Office Zebila. Ye committee bi na obi say wo krom kwan awa. Obi say ususu free here fa na ase me krom kwan awa. Because ono so call the krom Zebila. Na o kra o say o ba pa den kira wesa. O say be hoton na so akwakotina. So that me check. Zebila for office ono so abachire dodo. Bi ho ba ye committee ye say ono so ni. Eti to bi say na mo say obi krom kwan awa no susu free here fa.
Wa correct ho. Let's go on.
Eti na me say to dey insult.
Okay.
Because me catch us no me know you with the same area. If you are kwa you be do krom asana ye twemu akọ. But am ka say wo ye chi a.
One ka say chiro, wo say wo chiri.
Okay, I would draw so if you offended about this harmless area. So, me who hwekwa me hu sa road na madi hu adanse. Me ba no me fa mansa amfa kumase. Me fa asenfosu. Oboase asenfosu. So, eno so from Praso. Asen Praso. E dey kwa asenfosu, including asenfosu township road. Main highway na you should say krom ogwa mo dualize e krom body no koso midru tefre no there's a shortcut bi homo amom kwa bi mfante man e hom mi bowuram homo an wa ba be piem man kesi me san hu ekwan a koso ho. I'm not going to talk about Accra ha ya kwa de baby a meti de mahu a koso ha mo for me we to come and sit here say road minister me an kire even 1 kilometer no.
I ask a simple
credibility
question.
problem. Now, I'm punching into.
Listen, I ask a simple question.
So, but in any case,
respective locations of the 4,000 kilometers.
And you want people to believe you.
Yes.
You want people to believe you. Okay,
okay, so
because they travel and they see roads being constructed. One road
official reports. Totally state even one single road. What does it mean?
You won't be able to believe this.
You are not there, so keep quiet.
I don't need to be there.
You are not there. So keep quiet.
Oh, so for no see on this matter na fianco other issues. But video you about how many TCC.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So how about for no
you have the video?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
And we'll get the data too from the Highways Authority.
Okay.
In effect, all I'm saying is for me, a member of parliament to come and sit on radio or TV, no because say 1 kilometer of road crown. What's the one to me answer?
I see specifics. All right. He was emphatic that the minister should be specific with
respective locations.
Yes.
You come over to.
So what am I answer? That's
it. It's not done because we come
okay. It will be a questions be your home, especially say follow-up question. Is treated with contempt.
Hey, a full question beside your follow-up.
So, for example, you're talking about 4,000 kilometers a road network. Now, what Ubisa minister say, or Metna Parliament. Now, on chere, baby, as I in our at a goa. We are so, Obina time that say in we say Accra to Kumasi, put the full air no will be just 260 something kilometers.
64 or so.
264 or so.
Oh, no, boy,
just
you are surprising me today.
It's the Kwabena, yeah, and I'm telling you, say. Again, say the pay our credibility crown so any you can road networks are every year be a budget be a buy no ye allocation ye de be man no on be account for it in the subsequent budget. It show say road sector no this March na call home say ni na omo de ye adwuma. The names of roads near the idea of near the idea will be captured. Data no ho. Data no ho. Baby,
so you think that question I will say just a
question who here?
Because look, I say for example, Mekai last me call other sister station. Now, sir, tolesa na government is yeah no now we bisa me say to make me actually baby sisi ana when there's data say o my about 20 I'm saying to who expect say me meji hana me sure say uko say dua we achi a ba ku si ho uko keneshi e market na chi a ba ku si ho e wa bra minim hwe kura minim say the effect end results need be and say cholera outbreak ejai unim say dey cholera
if you need sanya
because me catch I'm not interjecting person me catch and say me MP and I have this is one of the tools that I have as member of parliament to bring the minister to the plenary
say you are not interjecting
and ask him questions. Okay. Very important in the country.
And I'm just saying, bisa question.
What is it?
So,
but what do you problem? The problem is say, me ba, mam cho problems and po nyesi.
Me problem.
Me, and I'm say, my friend, what problem? Say, with the minister about parliament. Me bisa ne say, on my respective locations of the 4,000 kilometers of road.
Which he says that it's not possible.
It's not possible, but at least
by Obama data.
At least, question their bro. Emma wa hwem over bare 2 months ni. Why raise over parliament? I will answer a question. So why don't you bring the list? At least to mention 2 or 3 roads.
And tender
the rest.
This data.
And tender the rest. I don't like the word serious. I don't like the word serious. Let him withdraw. Else you continue the program.
Anybody who has entered Ghana's
you continue the program. I'm telling you. If you tell me I'm a serious member, no, don't say that. Don't insult people. Don't insult people. Wait, serious. No. You should withdraw. You should withdraw.
You have always been a serious.
That's why you lost your election. I'm telling you. That's why you lost your election. You don't speak well.
That's why I'm not switching.
Honorable Mr. Menko, Ofri Sabia ho, or a 4-term. He's not just a normal member of parliament. 4-term member of parliament. He understands better as he speaks.
So serious.
So the word serious is not fair.
It's not fair to withdraw.
Office office on the buy. It's just take it easy. Just take it easy. Ofio and a wabao. It is that office against serious it affects him. So it's not fair.
No, the point I'm making is Semenia break as member of parliament. Now me predicted beer. The person who said really, especially this one a road one, apart from Sebeko ministry home. Meet me.
Always a
budget.
Always a
sector agencies now, highways. Urban roads,
always means
and all this data available. I won't waste my time up there. And you are grabbing say.
Okay. Because so specifically, let's watch what transpired.
Exactly.
Yeah, get it back. This one says, any good student of politics and governance must basically know that a particular government is displaced only when there is a better alternative, not necessarily because of its weakness. In case where electorates realize that, notwithstanding those weaknesses of the incumbent, the opposition is not a better option either. There's absolutely no reason to change. This is the current status of ex-President John Mahama, and that is something that he deliberately seems not to understand. McLean Desmond or Seshi Yosu and or do we a day aba. Yaba back oh so don't come on see yanko your next issue so say we be kama.
Nya yi kakra. Honorable Ekasa no. O say John Dramani Mahama. One time in parliament.
Yeah.
We did Asante for it.
So oka kasentwie.
Say I
can on trimra form. And
Mr. This is a big platform.
So only na know me
Was it?
only na know parliament that time.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
This is a big platform.
Yeah.
Enti anytime bia oba bia be fence program bia man produce the official report in chiro. Na ready. Okay, to the public. Me say
we are we buy ya when that time
listen, anytime
it's captured in your records.
Of course.
Yeah,
official report.
No, don't worry. It's captured. Once it's captured, because it's due
exactly. That's my point. Because this is a big platform. I won't sit here for you to talk anything which is wrong.
Yeah. No, I refer such use. I refer as a prempe.
Yes.
So
because
simple to
raise your objection.
No problem at all. We'll do. We'll do that. Don't worry.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so what's it Sputnik any health minister? What's the relationship now?
My
I said what can pass me. Now some man.
Also what the home we mono kodo do.
Madam wa mami ni yes.
I don't we are not be yes.
Okay, that's it.
Okay. But that's what you magic is.
E-Levy. Ade asofu ikuko wie President Mahama fie.
On na kan wasema na because what me say that question ana.
Me chance e dia mama na me kan eya na.
Okay. Me say
okay.
I no say mama o
do no be kan wasema but E-Levy no ada start.
No say.
So me be tell Sputnik
say. Okay, can say bibiri no no opportunity. O baba.
Kabi mami kabi. Ne fe.
Koso.
We be a good listener.
Yeah.
Because we no be a debate. When tia unless say the argument here be ya jube we are no be asoro say house ne kotoko say because ya be share house if we
good
ya show me cry so on make reference say yes share mo we argument say we are obi anya ne asoro ko so but we are not for it nti me kasa no ayedin so we are o mu say once a bar punch kitu evidence but how man here be na we say ago E-Levy say me aye bi o
yeah
E-Levy cry ne dey eto keke aye pese ye je e wo memu na obi se menti ase na kofa ntokwa ne enima e wa bra se me ke memu ke bidie ka ne fe ne se o kire wadwe na me so ma kire madwe yes okay ni pa dodo se na o madwe e ko si dodo se na ko si de dodo ne be ko no na ye nyina ye di ekisi ye be ko Omanhene hwe ewi ase eto bie ni ho mo a obetumi a justify. See the common sense, any reasoning. See the beya dwuma dia. Keto bie ho ma obenya basis as to why else nipa tua start one. For example, where direct income tax ya ebia ye beto ye ntino, ye nyina obi an complain. And then na ye introduce income tax a ebia nka ne nka be dane etuo ne emba. What is income tax? Say nka me ma brɛ me ho, ma sɔre ahomache akɔ up and down, akɔ madwuma. Me madwuma na menya sika kakra fi mu a na ban aba sɛ wo sika na wanya no wo sarare no wanya no fa bi ma me sɛ obi na eba ji wo sika ni bi anka nya kro no sɛ ka kro no ani apobo na so ye emra kwa so ntino aban sɛ wo sarare a wanya no meji mu a certain percentage ni ajatu nobody is challenging the basis hwɛ property tax
the simi there we use ujinam
me ebia me ni minue bosume so ya adwuma ebia me de me de akwa wi petition ono de ne de akwa akosi edan ebia dan wusi no kra no aban wan chew block baako bo aban ama nail baako cement baako wa ma ebia o mese o concrete kra usuo a wo bu kra de amese concrete no aban usuo aye no otoma tikesi dan enam si dan wie ya na aban wa ba se me ba beji property rate nka be reason be no edan na wo ka pre ni mo sempo ani mo anche be hweye no asase unim ho hweye ade na ka de wo ba beji property rate tikadu say so you can't justify it. However Omanhene hwe sisi a ye be kokko Easter ebebe ya amanfo be kokko e bia boys mo se ye kwa kwa this year na ye be kwa koye aponche krankra be mankwan mo identify say ye pese ye we na pese ye we as boys no what do you do o say bia aponche na be cost ye 1,000 cedis se be cost ye 1,000 cedis dia ene ye bom ye nya contribution say ye 10 na ye se obi anfa 100 mbra ye put it together ye nya ye 1,000 ye kwa koye ye aponche krankra na say be mankwan objective amudisi bani so no na ye achieved always the call ya sorry levels you class so the same thing ukokro bia so a mikro I am free ukodu I am free that's a Pentecost 4% omusi oma sorry dan a they don't go to the place before omonko Catholic for and omonko any other church but what do they do as sorry members na oma identify project do am person mo ye no na omo ayede contributions ehono ye be free bi no tithing eno o bible mu yaji tithe awie no ubehu na bia kofini ama aforebo bi enso abam ubehu na young men fellowship aforebo bi abam e bia na this kofini ama this kakra no dia contributions omo friend different names be a tithe be a aforebo be a seed e bi free no whatever omo aye contributions kakra sa na omo dia ayede omo dia si omo asol dan Sahana who raising it to the higher national level. As on mine, yetiha as Ghanaians, you per se you see roads, you per se you see schools, you per se you see hospital. How do we fund it? The same way our boys moko yamo appointing kwa one and more contributions. Name may be different. The same way I sorry for I sorry mission home and I say I sorry die or more. Names no different names at that type or no sana o the bad the national level na you see a see school down bi and I see a construct road bi or see side the contribution a man for the contribution and that contribution is just what we call tax and it won't mean justify no won't mean no reason why
taxman no that's your profession
me accountant.
I say more than say na
kakrawum. About national level your friend the tax. It do be our friend VAT. It do be our friend indirect tax. It do be our friend direct tax. Whatever ni na no. E means aban no. E de giska e de free wo ho. Na ye de ayempo duduma as of man ye de si ani so. So, eti we are buying leadership so there. One critical factor of leadership is your ability to think outside the box. And yes, the status quo will be any and run and one at the Biabe. Every company, yes, directors and income tax, or Bushumiso, your Jokatiania, Bejo tax, will be a quite missile the origins. Said you started Jason, will be a better into your Busutia without complaints. Tax the baby sanity. It's once a while no be introduced new one beer. Thinking outside the box now the new one be bad. Those who cannot see beyond their noses, no think, hey, they're now for me. Me kai kufu time okofa a communication service task by hey na this for you hey I feel your kasa kra say me get say talk task o kasa kra na e ubetua to e be wiase no phone calls kra ntumi nye bio ana say ntumi nye am papa kufu gina ne na so a skaka clip pfi home na e create youth employment program me no kasa anya hwe kra no in say mabunu over 500,000 and a youth employment program I engage you my eduma from sky from communication service tax.
So we can never say no to E-Levy.
It is a send abandon again thinking outside the box. And we said now a lot of commercial activities are called electronically. It's any young fire ni and koshe honso. Na yen resist kakakra. Ni enfame boa o man point to duma. Ebimo asori kokun ntokwa. I didn't know say yakun was adi. Our brother is just another means of raising revenue. The good part of it, Grand say, yes, and as I said, we won't be won't transfer more than 100 Ghana a day. No, we are exempted. We are exempted. It's me. I'm your brother, baby. I would take no harm. But this is me. Yes, we say, oh, say me transfer, just me transfer. Scrap comma, me buy a boarding house. The command 200 is grab by Bejimu EBR 1.75. 1 CD. Na ba beje no wo bisa ho se wo ba no boarding house is here ana can admission fee kra ka be say Of school can admission fee. So that won't admission fee. So can send obetua.
So you fancy na the video break now.
Thank you.
He's giving us why E-Levy should not.
That one I'll not even go there.
Okay, so you show video break if we break by then we're on.
2020, the government had constructed about 4,000 kilometers of roads in the country. Go and check, thank you. Yes. So, Mr. Speaker, if I understood the minister correctly, this is a quote from the graphic, and he wants a direct quote from it. But I'm not interested in that. The Minister of Roads, who has worked from 2017 to today, should be able to tell us how many kilometers of road he has constructed. Can the minister tell us? Yes, Honorable Minister.
This is no problem at all. The data is there. Come up with a question and I will answer it. Come up with a question and I will answer it. And I can tell you that between 2017 and now, 2021, roadworks undertaken by President Akufo-Addo's government in this country is unparalleled in our nation. And come out with it. I will come with the information. I will come with the statistics, and don't even limit it to the roads. Limit it to all other aspects and activities of the road infrastructure. Bring in the asphalt overlays, bring in the bridges, bring in the interchange.
Honorable Minister, when can you put that information on the table? When will you bring that information and put it on the table?
You could bring up. Why? So, Yasa Baba Academy must wrap up soon, but as I see, I think basics be as enough. You the best education, the best idea is important. You bought insert. Let me see, it's my morning in every. And you know that so both on social media, personal phone, and also here in the studio. Mami establishes certain basics be and yet gidi be. Didi kind one a suma see and for road minister bra. One I say bisa na chitrine bro so for road minister bra.
Omanhene. Me member of parliament. And na my studies. Me who say MP bia best sorry Castle of Parliament bia kan kwan ho asem. Including myself. Makwan ho do e wo me constituency nyina 2016. Abanda no de ma contractors nyina wa unu akofi job. Yamna djuma kese ho na oye free aboy kwanta 2 pistia kokoro nyina ye de agu nchan. Yet abani say we construct 4,000 kilometers of roads. And na me put you in question. Me demand parliament. Say invite minister. Look at the English I'm coming to use. Respective locations. Baby potia 4,000 kilometers.
And the question
me decide. In the video near here no. Me question. Other paper so. And na kamutu me boni nyina nka mo be hu. Fine. Minister, you did question Abro. Question at the bar, let me give you the process. A call a table office. Now I could speaker's office. The speaker at dispatch at the ministry. My ministry. And so I enquiries. I shame. Am I showing how to answer the question? Answer any of them minister no about parliament. I beg that floor answer question. So my question is, my business question be 2 months. I pass it through this process. Who minister, what the above floor of the parliament to come and answer this simple question? That's the one to me, mammy, single road. So, who said on our booking? Ebia, ufi ha ekwaha, maye. Ufi ha kumai. For the sake of time, I tender all the routes within the 4,000 kilometers. That's the one to me, and yes, I them. That's my better now. Let me catch you say, your minister didn't do well. You are challenging me.
All right. Oh, Then I fall short in commodity.
That fall short and say, Minuan should know the difference between substantive question and a follow-up question.
But he did the substantive question.
No, substantive question.
Be based on what Waboma wants to say.
So go and look at all the
questions. Difference between substantive question and the follow-up question. Say a substantive question and no bisa enka amabua entumi emeye e rebata. So normally substantive question no it's written on the other paper. It will read the minister before but also the response. It's also captured in that same other paper. In the minister he reads the first question. He reads his answer. Substantive question. On can finish trim keka already paper cross the answer because the same ina already no is also already captured because the copy back parliament answer na day of answering do. Now when read the no maybe I will follow up questions. Ada said do kan no ne nya dwen na so wan ti bibia sia na so wan ya no na be open na yi to me bisa any question bia from what I saw no to me say obisa question and the minister kwa say e no de mini e wa ha it is all pekura na mame time that is normal in parliamentary question time mame time na me kofa we ni bia o pe bia akra me de beba speaker na me ba speaker crowd say speaker crowd say bisa say
time ben ye
hwe oni so de beba that couldn't therefore have been the substantive question.
But I don't know that table officer speaker.
So to begin with, because bisa no. What the parliament also will be angry because o substantive question. What sorry don't know where read. It's written.
So play.
It is a canon and no read there. Then I'm questioning him. And then I'm about to me bemu. And because the require fan to no bisa different questions.
Play.
Is that possible? Say can we read substantive question? Because I remember parliament. I say sorry. Abem. I say you found the to
play back.
You
are confused.
That could therefore have been the
substantive. Oji break. Yeah, do be biase. Onyame aduma. Actually, we have a discussion.